Welcome to an essential update on the intersection of artificial intelligence and the legal world. We've gathered 8 key stories you might have missed. Artificial intelligence is rapidly reshaping the legal sector, from how cases are handled to the very foundation of legal practice. We're seeing major developments involving AI use in court cases, new legal tech solutions, and firms building their operations around AI from the ground up. Mark your calendars for an important event: harnessing AI for competitive advantage in litigation. Check the Law Society website for details. First, let's look at AI in the courtroom, focusing on the unintended consequences of using these powerful new tools. Judges are being warned to stop referencing fake AI-generated case citations in legal reports, as citing these incorrect precedents risks worsening the problem of false information. In a family case, the Court of Appeal sympathized with a mother who used AI that generated false citations. While absolved of intent to mislead, a reminder was given that all citations must be genuine. Next, let's explore how law firms are integrating AI and defining the next generation of legal service delivery. New firms are building their operations around AI from the start, promising a legal culture prioritizing, quote, outcomes as a service by quickly executing legal tasks with AI, checked by lawyers. Linklaters has created a 20-lawyer AI squad, blending legal and AI expertise. Their goal is to seamlessly integrate AI into client work and reduce friction for client-facing lawyers. Now we turn to the legal battles targeting the use of AI itself, particularly concerning intellectual property. Around the world, publishers are disputing AI companies for unlawfully using their content to train software. Judgments have varied, starting to define what practices are lawful in this new territory. As AI video generators become more common, learn how to spot fake content. All leading generators add watermarks, but watch out for creators trying to hide them with blurring or other tactics. Finally, let's look at the efforts to govern AI's integration into the legal sector and ensure professional standards are maintained. King's College London has launched a world-first AI literacy program for law students and staff, emphasizing that AI skills are no longer optional for the next generation of lawyers. The Law Society is asking the government to clarify rules around AI use in the legal sector. Innovation is vital, but clear regulation is needed to address challenges like cost, data, and skills to protect clients. The integration of AI in law is an exciting yet complex journey. From the courtroom to firm operations and international copyright, the legal landscape is quickly evolving. Stay tuned to these developing stories as AI continues to reshape the legal world and define the future of justice and practice.